how to create an opt-in form with WordPress and Elementor Pro. What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's tutorial. And something that I always recommend you in my videos is that the most important asset that you are going to have online is your email list. It doesn't matter what type of business you have. It's always important that you start building your audience, not just on Facebook and Instagram, but your own audience. Something that you own is your email list, okay? Now, the purpose of this video is to show you how I use these tools like WordPress and the page builder Elementor that allow me to create like beautiful forms. I collect the email address, and what's next? What you can do later with that email address. You can send the user to a thank you page where you give them an option to like call you, send you a message. Let's say that you are a doctor, you're promoting like a high ticket service. You can send them to a thank you page and give them another call to action, like to schedule the appointment, whatever, okay? That is actually the example that we're going to use today for a dental clinic. And besides that, you can also create like autoresponders, automatic emails that you send immediately to the person that subscribe to the opt-in form, you know? Super important, because if you are promoting like a service or a product, take in mind that a person doesn't buy the first time, you know? People react really different in different ways. Like, you expect that they're gonna reach the page and they're gonna purchase your product or they're gonna make the appointment, but they always like end up doing something different. And it's important that you keep in their mind by like email marketing, you know, follow-up emails that you can send automatically without you having to be there all the time, like sending the email to the person as soon as they subscribe. No, you can automate all this by having an email marketing software. And actually, I'm gonna show you the email marketing software that I use and I recommend you to use as well. So without further ado, guys, let's dive into today's video.
Okay, so first of all, guys, if you're completely new about building a website, you don't know how to use the programs, I have a free training that is ideal for you. I'm gonna walk you through the entire process of explaining you why you need a website, what is web hosting, what is a domain name, like getting your web hosting and a free domain name, and everything, how to manage WordPress, how to manage the page builder that I'm gonna show you, that is gonna allow us to design basically almost any website that you can imagine and design the form as well. So you don't have to buy any other plugin because the page builder that I recommend you, it gives you a lot of solutions, and one of those solutions is having the option to create a form where you basically collect the email, right? So I'm gonna show you how to use the page builder and basically create your website from scratch, honestly. And the best part is that I'm gonna give you actually the template that you see here. You're gonna have it and you're gonna be able to customize that template however you want. And yeah, go ahead, guys. I recommend you to get started with this training. You have to go to jordanvelasquez.com/trainings, create your account, and you want to have access to the training that you see here. So let's start with this video. This is the landing page I have as an example. This is a landing page like for promoting dental implants. A small description and the call to action here, like get your free consultation, leave your details, and we will reach out to you shortly. So I'm gonna show you how you can create a form like this and the other steps that it requires when a person put the name, the phone, and the email. What is the next steps? Okay, how can you link your autoresponder with this form? And also, what is the other page that you should send the user after they submit their information? So I'm going to use as a model this same form. So we're gonna go here. Right now we are in the page builder. This is called Elementor Pro, where we're using the Pro version. But no worries, in the training I explain you the benefits on having the Pro and the free version. But right now I'm using the Pro because it gives me more features like this one to create amazing forms. And yeah, this is the one that I'm using. So let's duplicate this. Okay, we're gonna click here, we're gonna duplicate, and there we have it. Okay, so we're gonna erase this. I'm just gonna start from scratch here. I'm gonna erase this. So as you can see, we're gonna put the title here, simple. This is a heading widget. Okay, we're gonna go here, we're gonna go to headings, we're gonna drop it here, and there we have it. Okay, let's copy the same. Let's copy the same. So let's see here, we click here, we go to style, and let's see the typography is popping, size 24, weight 300. Okay. Okay, let's go to style, size 24. We're gonna search for poppins, the weight 300. We're gonna change the color, black, and we're gonna put some space, like text here, line high. It feels look good like this. Okay, so now we're gonna add the form. So we're gonna go here and we're gonna search for form, and this is the one that we're gonna use. We're gonna put it below here, so we're gonna grab this one and we're gonna drop it below here, and there we have it. This is the form where you have to make some changes. Okay, so first we're gonna change this. We don't have message. We're gonna new one. We're gonna choose the type. We're gonna look for a phone number. No, let's say here, tell. So I'm gonna put just phone here and the same here. But we're gonna get rid of the labels. I don't want them, so we're gonna hide this. There we have it. Now we're gonna fix the structure. You know, this one is like this, like in one single line. So we're gonna do the same. So we're gonna click name and column width. Let's do it 20. And email the same, 20. And font 20. Let's see. I think we should make it a little bit bigger, so 25. The same with this one and this one. Yeah, I think it looks good like that. So right now the bottom, let's go to the bottom and let's make 75. There we have it. Now let's go to style. Let's go with the form. No, here, the field. So the field text color, we can change this to black. You can see it looks darker. And let's see how it looks. The borders, you can see this one doesn't have borders, just have a border below, so we want to do the same. So field, border, we want to unlink the values, and we're going to put at the bottom. There we go. Border color, black, and the field typography, maybe a little bit smaller, like that. So we want to use popping as well. And yeah, I think it looks good. Now we want to change the bottom. The bottom is with a different color, so I don't know what is the color of this one, so I'm going to change that. Go to bottom, buttons, I'm going to copy the code here. I'm going to go to this one, buttons. So the background, let's see. Okay. And the hover is just basically the animation. Let's make this like transparent with border solid. We're gonna put like 2. Background color, border color, we're gonna use the same color here. And there we have it. See, it changed. So Hover is just for the animation. When you put the mouse on the bottom, that is the hover. Now the text color, we want to leave it in black. Okay, now in the normal one, we want to text color, we want to change it to black as well. And the border color, we're going to change it to this one, to the same color. And there we have it. See? Now we're just going to change the letters, typography, poppins, and I think it looks good like that. Maybe 300. So it looks like this one. I think it's okay. Let's see, 15. No, 12. Yeah, let's leave it like that. Now the button color is done. The content, I'm gonna go to bottom, and we're just gonna change the name. Request appointment. There we go. We have it here. So as you can see, this is a capital letter, but this one is just like normal. We're gonna leave it like that. So we're gonna go here, we're gonna go to buttons, and we're gonna go to typography, and as you can see, transforming this in normal. And I think it's looking good. See, similar. So I'm going to add some space between the text and the form. So let's make this. I'm gonna click the text, advance, and margin. Let's put like 40. Let's see. I think it worked good like this. And basically there we have it, guys. As simple as that. I just replicate this same form with this, okay? And now let's make sure that it looks good in mobile as well. So let's click here, responsive mode. And as you can see, we need to fix this a little bit. So I'm gonna click here and go to style. Let's make this a little bit smaller. Let's try with 15. Content, put this in the middle. And here as well. Let's go to, so we wanna fix this. Click here, advanced, margins. We wanna fix this like 15. Here, we wanna change the field. We wanna make the field a little bit smaller. Form. Let's see. I think it looks good. We're just gonna make some space, advance, and unlink this. Let's make 40, and there we have it. There we go. Okay, we just fix this. Now it looks good, the form. Now let's continue. Now, what is the next step? How we can add this to the email marketing software, and how we're gonna send this to another page. When the user put the name, we're gonna send them to a thank you page. So we're gonna click here in the form, and the content, we'll scroll down, and we're gonna click on actions after submit. As you can see, we have the email. So this is basically that they're gonna send us an email, like Elementor, the page builder is gonna send us an email with the information from the customer here to the email address that we put here. You can put the email address of your business or any other one that you want. Now, but what I want here is a different thing. What I'm looking here is to send this to my email marketing software. I'm using GetResponse, and I'm also want to redirect this user to a thank you page. So as you can see here, we have redirect, where you have to paste the link that we want to send the user to. So let's go to WordPress dashboard, and here in templates, I have these templates on the landing page section. You can also create the landing page and the thank you page in the pages section. It's just that this feature is new. I just wanted to try it. So I just create these landing pages in the landing page section. As you can see, I have the landing page that you were working on, and I have the thank you page of this landing page. So when I click here, I'm gonna copy this link and I'm just gonna paste it here. Simple as that, okay? Now in get response, I need to put the API key, and then when I put that, I'm gonna choose the list that I want to add this customer to. So I'm just gonna open my GetResponse account and I'm gonna show you how you can do that. So I already opened my email marketing software. This is GetResponse, and as you can see, we have API here. So we're gonna click here, and if you want to land here, guys, you have to click these dots, go to integrations and API, and you wanna go here, choose API, and here you have it. Now it's easy to create an API key here. Just click generate API, put a name, and generate. Simple as that. It's gonna show up here. You have to copy this one, copy, and then go to your landing page and custom. You wanna put the API and you wanna select the list. So the one that we're gonna use is called like test list tutorials. And if you have autoresponders, let's say that you have like 5 emails that you want to send, you're gonna start this in the cycle 0. Okay, 0 is the first email they're gonna send immediately when they put their information here and they click on request. Automatically you're gonna receive the information in your autoresponder. So email, name, and let's see the phone number here. We have it. Phone. Simple as that. Because those are the 3 things that we're requesting, and basically that's it. Just click on update, and you're ready to go. We're gonna test this, okay? So let's first get rid of this one because we don't want to use it. Let's click update. Let's open a new window. I want to paste the link, and let's just fill this form. Now make sure to put the country code in the phone number, and let's request the appointment. And here we are, guys. This is the thank you page. So here you can give the option to the user to call you or to send you a message, whatever you want. But immediately we're gonna receive this information in our email marketing software. Now let's see if we have the information in the email list. And let's go to get response. And as you can see, this is the list that we're using, test list tutorials. And as you can see, we have one new contact. When I click in the list, and here we have it. As you can see, we have the name, the email address, the phone number, and even the location from where the person is. And as you can see, this is how the process works, guys. The person put the information in the contact form. You wanna send them to the thank you page. Okay, give them the option to call you, or you can change this for them to send you a message, whatever is best for you. Now, what's next? Let's continue with the same example of a dental implant. So once you receive a potential customer email address, what you should be doing is to send them 5 automatic emails, autoresponders. So the first one, you're gonna send them immediately when they subscribe, so right now. And then you're gonna send them another one the next day, then the next day, until you have sent 5 emails. And the main goal of this email is to remind the user, the customer, that they need to make the appointment. Take in mind that a person reacts in different ways. Maybe they went to the thank you page, but for some reason they didn't make the appointment. This is a good way to keep in the mind of that person and remind them that they can have a free consultation and that they need to hurry up and to schedule the best day and time for them to get this free consultation. Okay, so in this way you're gonna avoid losing a potential customer, and you're gonna be always in the mind of the customer as well. Now, as you can see, I have an autoresponder. I used to have this list when I was doing like cold outreach to potential customers, but as you can see, it already sends an email. This is an autoresponder. Immediately it sends the email to this address. Okay,
so this is basically it, guys. This is how the flows work when you have a sales process, how you collect the email, how you can send them to another page so they can like make another like a call and make the appointment, whatever is that is your desired call to action, you know. And how you can create autoresponders. I use GetRespond. I really like it. It's the ones that I get started with, and so far it have been working for me. It's really great. And actually they also have like a 30 days trial, so you can go test it, play with the interface. I'm gonna leave some links below of the tools that I use here just for you to check them out. I hope that you find them helpful as well. And yeah, I hope that you have a better understanding of how to create an opt-in form and what are the next steps once you have that people email addresses. And also, guys, if you want to like master how to use this platform, WordPress and Elementor, I have my training, jordanvelasquez.com/trainings, and also gonna teach you about sales funnels, Facebook ads, if you are interested in these topics as well. So go ahead, check it out, and I hope that you have found it valuable, and see you in another video.